Hello everyone, enjoy Costco, and if you see a 97 cents at the end of the price, that means it's on sale being paced out. Thank you! Costco time because it's freezing rain tonight, so a lot of people are shopping. Some of the items have instant savings, so it's a deal for the week or the month. Thank you. Nagkakagulo sila sa 1997, but I wait until it's $10. I'm not buying it. It's more than $10. Kakagulo sila dyan sa shoes. Only here, you will find 2-pack for $5. Pero the sizing is the issue for $5. This one is 20. See all the items, they're gonna paste out, so they're gonna go down again, the prices soon. Look at the overcoat, only $20. See that? What's on the other side? Well, this one also $30. Grabe. These are also sale now. Oh. But I don't need one, I'm just showing it to you. Some of their items are seasonal, so just like these Asian products. Okay, this is the Asian aisle. Look at that. Ginseng. Look at the price. On the Asian aisle, look, soup. Oh my god. It looks good, huh? $40, and of course our Chinese sausage. Dates and walnut, $10. Seaweed. Okay, I'm on the Asian aisle. Oh, mochi. Oh my god. What is this? Okay, mochi. Barley. Oh my god, my favorite is back. My favorite one. Okay, gotta go. This is my favorite one from Taiwan. And let's continue our Asian section. Beef jerky. It's $13.99. I don't want to go up and down with you. This one, ginseng, on sale. Squid, also our favorite. Shredded squid. This is for the New Year. Lunar New Year cake. And pineapple. This one is tikoy. The New Year cake is our tikoy. But this one is color brown, not the white tikoy. See the color? That is white. Look how expensive, but this is considered cheaper to buy it here. King's crab. Look at our lobster tail. Look how much. And look at the white shrimp. Seafoods are sometimes so expensive, but compared to other stores, Costco still sell it cheaper. They also sell prepared food by the pound, so the price is by the pound. I can't help it and stop by the toy. Look at this. A Batmobile car. Upside down right now. And look at this Star Wars here. Okay. And then the Nerf, of course. And here. Look at that. And there's more toys there. And I'm just showing it to you. And look how expensive too. Flowers are nice here. They're not so expensive compared to outside. Oh, another side. Na kami. Na. Clorox. Kung ano-ano. Empty boxes to carry them. And look at that. Busy.